Imagine this. Your unhealthy habits are not just affecting your health, but they're also quietly draining your finances. Surprised? Every poor choice you make has a hidden financial impact, and it's not just about the medical bills. The financial repercussions are more extensive and often go unnoticed. It's more severe than you might think. These costs can creep up on you, affecting multiple areas of your life. Let's break it down. First, there are the medical expenses. These are the most obvious, but they're just the beginning. Consider the frequent doctor visits, the never-ending prescriptions, and the dreaded hospital stays. Each visit, each prescription, and each day in the hospital adds up. Over time, these costs accumulate, eating away at your savings, but that's not all. There are hidden costs you might not even be aware of. An unhealthy lifestyle also leads to lost income. When you're not feeling well, your ability to work and earn money is compromised. How many days have you missed work because you were sick? Each missed day is a missed opportunity to earn. How much has your productivity dropped because you just didn't feel up to it? Low energy and poor health can make it hard to focus and get things done. In the worst cases, poor health can even lead to job loss. Imagine the stress and financial strain of losing your job because of health issues. And it's not just about the paycheck. It's about the missed opportunities and promotions you could have had. Your career growth can be stunted by poor health. And then there are the lifestyle costs. These are the everyday expenses that add up over time. Think fast food, smoking, alcohol, and convenience expenses. These habits might seem small, but they have a big impact on your wallet. These small, seemingly harmless habits can drain your wallet faster than you realize. Every meal out, every pack of cigarettes, every drink adds up. Those daily coffee runs and late-night takeouts. They might be convenient, but they come at a cost. They add up, my friend. Over time, these expenses can take a significant chunk out of your budget. But here's the part most people don't realize. It's not just about losing money. The true cost of an unhealthy lifestyle goes beyond your bank account. You're also losing something far more valuable. Time with loved ones, your ability to enjoy life, and your overall well-being. If you had an extra $3,600 a year, how would you invest it? Imagine the possibilities: saving for a vacation, investing in your future, or even just having a financial cushion. Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How would you use that extra money to improve your life? And if you think money is the only thing you're losing, wait until you see what poor health does to your body in the next video. The physical toll can be even more devastating. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. We'll explore the hidden dangers and how you can take steps to improve your health. Thanks for watching.